Part 14 of our Indian Constitution. Part 14 of our Indian Constitution deals about the services under the Union and states. Services under the Union and states like UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, All India Services, rules and regulations of the Service Commission, appointment of the Service Commission members. So that is deals about the part 14 of our Indian Constitution. In this part 14 of our Indian Constitution, chapter 1, article 308 to article 314 deals about the services of the Union and State Service Commission. Let us discuss about the one by one articles. Article 308, interpretation of the services. Interpretation of the services. So what kind of rules and regulations adopted in this article 308? It deals about the interpretation of services. And article 308, recruitment and conditions of service of persons serving in civil capacities under the union or a state. Recruitment and conditions of service persons serving in civil capacities under the union or a state. Recruitment and conditions that was explained in detailed manner in this article 308, 309. And article 310 of our Indian Constitution, tenure of office of persons serving the union or a state, whoever appointed as Public Service Commission member are recruited by as administrative service officers. So their tenure may be tenure was explained in this article 310 of our Indian Constitution, tenure of office of serving of union or state. And article 311 of our Indian Constitution, dismissal or removal or reduction in rank of persons employed in civil capacities under the union or a state. Dismissal or removal, certain circumstances based on the removal, dismissal can be applied by the union government through UPSC Service Commission rules and regulations, which was recognized according to Constitution. Whatever loopholes may be in their service, they can be dismissed or removed from their service. Article 312 of our Indian Constitution, that is explained of the All India Services. All India Services, whatever All India Services appointed by the UPSC or any other service commission. So All India Services can be existed, abolished through a resolution of the Rajya Sabha. So that is explained in this article 312. Article 313 of our Indian Constitution, transitional provisions. Article 313 of our Indian Constitution, transitional provisions. So transitional provisions clearly explained in this article 313. Article 314 of our Indian Constitution, provisions for protection of existing officers of certain services. Provisions for protection of existing officers certain services, whoever appointed as members or officers in the according to Service Commission. So their protection, their gratitude and enhancement of salaries, etc. Regarding this article 314 of our Indian Constitution, that was clearly explained in this article 314.